27th of March, 2025 urban apiary in a million city. The bees are active. The temperature is about 15 degrees Celsius or 59 degrees Fahrenheit. The bees are exiting and entering the hive with pollen. I think it is time to expand the entrance so there is more space for the bees.
The weather is warm now.
The beehive is full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 frames with bees.
They are filling with nectar.
Yes, that's great. Is it possible to see queen cells?
Yeah, can you imagine that? We have to populate one more beehive anyway.
Usually, in this region, it is possible to see swarming of the strong beehives after the middle of April.
I see honey. It seems it is fresh and they are capping it.
This is from the fruit trees in the city. The cherry plum and the fruit trees. Apple, cherry, or others. The bees are very quiet.
Yes, those bees are very calm.
Nice genes. And here again, full frame with brood. Brood of mixed ages, including eggs. Wait, I want to film closer.
Those bees are the best.
They are developing very well. I come to the conclusion that the most important factor for hive development is the proper distribution of the honey stores.
And what can we do?
So the bees have good contact with the honey. We should rearrange the honeycombs if needed during the winter months. There is drone brood, which is a good sign and means that the bee family is strong.
We are good. This hive will explode during the acacia flowering.
This will happen before the acacia. In the middle of April, there will be queen cells in this beehive.
So we are going to split the hive then.
Yes.
Please remove the smoker so it doesn't get in your way. Look how they build the wax comb here. Should I make a full inspection?
Yes, for sure. We are making the first full inspection of the year.
This is the fourth frame with brood. Fifth frame with brood. There is also nectar, uncapped brood. There is everything.
Here you can see the state of nature. The cherry plum just finished blooming. Wait a minute. Hold on. Here you can see the larva. Okay, put it back.
Sixth frame with brood. A lot of brood, yes.
There is a lot of capped brood.
Yes, but there is also uncapped brood.
Look, most of the brood is capped. And when the capped brood hatches, the hive will be overcrowded.
So let's add additional top bars so the bee family can grow. Look, the frame is full of capped brood, also drone brood.
Yes.
Did you open the entrance?
Here, the frame is full of pollen.
Beebread.
Yes, beebread. Now the question is, where to put the new empty top bars? If we want the bees to make more brood and worker cells, we can put it in the third position. But I doubt there is a strong enough nectar flow so they can build a new wax comb. The other option is to put the empty top bars in the last positions.
Yes, maybe the last positions. Because it will be raining in the following days, there will not be enough nectar flow.
Okay, the last one, you could leave it. It is clear what's on it.
Yes, it is with brood.
No, it is not with brood. Look, the bee family organizes the hive like this. If this is a comb with bee bread, the bee bread is always on both sides of the brood combs.
Yes, and here is bee bread and nectar.
I would harvest this comb. It is a beautiful comb with bee bread.
No, I want the bees to develop. I will not harvest. I want them to develop so we can populate the second beehive, and both can be strong for the next winter with enough reserves. I will not be a harvester.
The bee family is organized like this. You have combs with bee bread, followed by the brood combs, and on the other side, again, bee bread combs, or the honey on the backside. And they put the bee bread on both sides of the brood combs, so they can have easy access to it, because it is the building material for royal jelly, which is the food of the brood. Okay, let's put an empty top bar next to the last brood comb.
Okay.
But you said it would rain. So, in that case, not the last brood comb, but after it.
Here we still have brood. And here there is no more brood. So where should I put the comb?
After that comb.
Okay then.
If we know there is a strong nectar flow and it will not be raining, we could put the empty top bar directly in the middle of the brood section. We have to exchange some of the brood combs each year, but to exchange them, the bees have to build new ones.
Yes.
Now we insert the empty top bar between two honeycombs.
So it should be here.
You already put one empty bar. It is in between honeycombs. We will put just one to see if the bees will build it at all until the next time we make a hive inspection. Now, April and May are the times when we need to make more frequent inspections of the beehive. Let's say, each week or a maximum of every 10 days. And also, we should put formic acid now against the Varroa mite.
Yes, now we treat against the Varroa mite.
So we put 15 to 20 milliliters of formic acid.
Okay, and we should remove the entrance reduction. Our formic acid is 65%. I can't turn this. Now it is okay.
If the bee family is weaker, you can leave the reduction, but this one is very strong. The reason not to remove the reduction would be to avoid a wasp attack. This marks the end of today's inspection of the urban top bar hive. The bees are developing well for this period of the year. The goal from now on is to develop them as much as possible so they can make queen cells and start swarming, and we will split the hive so we can populate the other top bar. I think this is the best and easiest way when you have only two top bar hives. Just let them enter a swarming state, split them, and populate the second beehive. See you again next time.